Okay. Here we go. It's a package for Sophie. Who is it for? Sophie.
Who's it from?
Let's see what's inside.
Oh, but who's it from, Daddy?
Oh yeah, oh well.
Thought it was Grandma, but...
It's from Santa. No, it's from the Kitchens.
Yeah.
In Richmond, Franklin, Tennessee.
Yeah.
Woo!
Woo!
Alright, here we go. Oh.
That's Auntie Jackie and Uncle Scott and Cousin Brandy and Cousin Chris.
What do you think? Okay. Oh. What's that? Oh. What's that? Oh. Aha.
Ah, balloons.
What are those? Balloons. Fun.
Now what we're going to have to do with those here in a minute.
Okay, we'll keep those here. What else? Oh.
Oh, that's lovely. Look at that. Flowers for a flower.
What's this? It's a shirt. Look at that. It's pants. It's a pair of pants. Very nice. Lovely.
How nice.
What else?